lot of changes that are happening here on the main campus at the University of Nebraska-Lincoln. And one of the big things that are happening is here on the practice field for Husker football. 11 years ago, this was started as a one artificial and one real grass field. And now today, 11 years later, it's now all 100% HDT Kentucky bluegrass. So why the decision to go Kentucky bluegrass on the practice field? Well, when we look at it here in Nebraska, it's more to use cool season grasses than warm season grasses. Cool season grasses deal with the temperatures that are extreme and the cold and the temperatures throughout the year, compared to warm season grasses, which is more used on the southern part of the United States from us. When we go to cool season grasses, you have prairie ryegrass, tall fescue, and Kentucky blue. Prairie ryegrass and tall fescue are faster to germinate than Kentucky bluegrass, but the problem with both of them is they're bunch types. Even though there's rhizomatic tall fescues, they don't do well with the traffic and the rhizome growth compared to Kentucky bluegrass. And prairie ryegrass is mostly used as an overseed to help grasses like Kentucky bluegrass to get that certain pop and repair for the traffic here at the football practice areas and other areas that are used for traffic. So with Kentucky bluegrass, it's a good grass to use because it can deal with recovery. And the recovery is because it has something called rhizomes. Rhizomes is a spread type. And with that spread type, it'll recover faster from areas of traffic to help with the student athletes here on this field. It's also used at Hibner Stadium for soccer and also for the track and field over here across from us. So what can you do for your home lawn? Well, for your home lawn, you can have a mix of turf type tall fescue, some Kentucky bluegrass, a little bit of prairie ryegrass too, but having a mixture that can help with your lawn to make it better for traffic. But in this case for us in the practice field, it has to stay in Kentucky bluegrass to help with that recovery. It will be used with some mixture of prairie ryegrass to help with the repairs, but with the field staff for Husker Athletics, they're going to keep this field pretty well for years to come.